Ninth question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan of A is equal to 1 by square root 3, find the value of first sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, second cos A sin C minus sin A sin C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C, sorry. So let's start. Let's take a right angled triangle and it is right angled at B. So this point is B. Let's say this is A and this is C. So this is right angle triangle ABC. Now they have given that tan of A is equal to 1 by square root 3. So it is opposite upon adjacent. So we can take opposite BC as 1K and adjacent AB as, this is angle A. So this AB is the adjacent. So we can take it as square root 3K. Now using this, let's find AC. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB is square root 3K whole square plus 1K whole square. So we get AC is equal to square root of square root 3 whole square is 3K square plus 1K square. So we get AC is equal to square root of 4K square, which is equal to 2K. So AC is equal to 2K. Now let's find the values of sin A, cos A and sin C and cos C. So sin A, first of all, is equal to side opposite to angle A, which is 1K, or you can say BC, upon hypotenuse 2K. So we get 1 by 2. Sin A as 1 by 2. Now let's find cos of A. Side adjacent to angle A is AB, upon hypotenuse is AC. So square root 3 by 2. Square root 3 by 2. Now in sin C is equal to, this is angle C. So side opposite to angle C is root 3K upon 2K. So root 3 by 2, and cos of C is equal to side adjacent to angle C, which is 1K upon 2K. So 1 by 2. Now let's substitute these values in the first and second part. So let's do the first part. Sin A is 1 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2. Plus cos of A is root 3 by 2 into sin of C is root 3 by 2. So we get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus square root 3 by 2 into square root 3 by 2 is 3 by 4. So we get 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So answer for the first part we got as 1. Let's do the second part now. Cos of A into cos of C, that is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, and minus sin of A into sin of C, that is sin of A is 1 by 2 and sin of C is root 3 by 2. So we get root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, which is equal to 0. So the answer for the second part is 0.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.